AAA State of Play, a family business built by our family for your families. We're headquartered in Indianapolis, Indiana, an American playground equipment company doing business at the intersection of quality and value. Here's how we get you the best of both worlds. Our slides for commercial playgrounds and backyards come in a single lane or a double, perfect for racing. And for more crowded commutes, we have 3 lanes of slide for the ride. Spiral slides put a real twist on your trip down, and tunnel slides really stand out. Hillside slides can be as long as 75 feet. We installed this one in a natural setting, 30 feet of racing, a foot trail up, and beautiful landscaping throughout. Our huge selection of climbers really ups your playground game. Rock wall climbers are like the real thing, only safer. Rope wall climbers let kids be little Spider-Men and women. Nylon-coated web ropes made of steel are sturdy but flexible, easy to grip, and comfortable on the hands. 3D climbers are exploding in popularity with exciting webs of possibility and challenge beyond just going up and down. Swings are another playground staple. High-back bucket seats are designed to secure children ages 6 months to 5 years. Belt swing seats are the gold standard at many a commercial playground. AAA gives you lots of bounce for your bucks. Seesaws are a perfect go-to for kids on the playground, offering instant action and interaction. Spring riders are a bouncing blast for young imaginations. Bulldozers and SUVs and any number of animals. Perfect for one, but some invite a plus one. AAA State of Play is all about running and movement. Merry-go-rounds will have kids going in circles, in a good way. Good action, interaction, and socialization.
Good boy.
Humans and their pets get to run and have fun. We have dog park equipment or can build a dog park for you and the pooch, like we did at this residential community. You want to make your playground a place to play longer, stay longer. We have a wide selection of outdoor and indoor furniture, including tables of all sizes and types, and seating for kids and adults to rest and socialize. And think about shade. Shelter from the heat and sun's harmful UV rays. We can cover a small area or go really big, like this clubhouse pool bar. We put complete shade cover over playgrounds at this early learning center. It protects kids and equipment.
AAA State of Play, how can I help you?
Customer service and follow-up is the golden rule. Our support teams are ready to help all new and existing customers. A dedicated team of playground designers works magic with their fingers, their imagination, and yours to create play areas to match dreams with your space, budget, and all safety concerns. With more than 7,000 items of commercial playground equipment, our distribution center is a well-oiled machine with a system of storage, packing, and efficiency checks to get your order loaded, shipped, and delivered. Installation? You can do it yourself. Hire one of our install experts to help supervise your crew, but frankly, we recommend it's best you hire one of our experienced install teams. We meet all the industry and consumer safety guidelines, including ASTM, IPEMA, and CPSC. Several staffers are CPSIs, Certified Playground Safety Inspectors. Additionally, we just opened our own in-house testing lab for swing set safety. And remember safety surfacing. We match your needs with your budget and playground space and use. Surfacing choices include wood fiber mulch and durable rubber mulch. And our experienced crews install poured-in-place rubber safety surfacing. Top of the line for looks, longevity, and safety.
Today, we are more than 25,000 customers strong in all 50 states, and we employ 70 full-time employees. We've already outgrown our first headquarters and warehouse and have recently moved into an abandoned warehouse club in a redeveloping part of Indianapolis.
This school playground equipment takes the classroom outside. Getting out of confined spaces and into fresh air is more important than ever. Same at this outdoor learning and fitness lab at a middle school. And why should kids have all the fun? We're adult fitness too. Our employees have picked up hammers for Habitat for Humanity, spatulas to make breakfast at a community center, and helped a youth circus get back on its feet after COVID canceled shows and scholarship money. We donated equipment and labor for this community park in honor of 2 teenage girls and bought uniforms for a local softball team going to national playoffs. We are playgrounds. We are family. We are AAA State of Play.